Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily adjust inventory quantity on QuickBooks. So just head over to QuickBooks and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on the New button. Next, in the Other section, click on Inventory Quantity Adjustment. And from here, you can start by setting adjustment date and also set the adjustment reason. You can choose from a variety of options from the drop-down menu. Also choose inventory adjustment account if it's cost of goods sold. You can also add and edit product or variant, quantity on hand if there's new quantity, and change in quantity. Then once done, you can choose to save or save and close. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!